Hello my boys, how are you all? Hope all be fine and doing very awesome. Welcome to Strong Bull YouTube channel. Look here guys, what I want to show you again. Here is a Strong Bull EA which is working very awesome front of you guys. Let me mark this. Okay, look here, what's the logic behind this expert advisor. I already explained in the previous video what's the logic and how actually the expert advisor works. So first of all, let me explain. Look here, this is the verified zone. This is the verified zone from where the expert advisor pick the entry from this signal area. Look here, it's sold. Look here, this is the sell position, okay, by this expert advisor, and now this is the trailing stop. Right now, the expert advisor placed this trade, look here, from verified resistance to support and moving step by step the stop loss and locking the profit. So this position is running in profit because of this. Look here, very awesome and a very good entry from this signal area, as you guys can see from this signal area, and right downward. Okay boys, now let's move on next index and see how actually the expert advisor analyze. Look here guys, how awesome, very perfect entry from this point. Look here, this is the buy trade executed, and right now this is the stop loss which is moved, and right now this trade is in profit. Okay, and here is riding it on verified resistance. So the expert advisor right now showing a new signal of sell. So once this trade is closed, the sale will be executed. So let's move on next one and see how actually this expert advisor works. Okay, let's see the next index. Here is, look here guys, a perfect entry also there. The downtrend, here is, you guys can see, here is the downtrend and very good channel. You can draw this by trend line, and here is the sell position which is executed by this expert advisor. Stop loss, the same fundamental here. The stop loss of this sell position is in profit. The trailing stop, right now the profit is booked, and the expert advisor have moved automatically. Here the expert advisor strong bull which is on. Okay guys, it's very easy and very simple and very profitable EA which is working on these accounts. It's really making awesome profit daily basis and very good and accurate. Look here guys, some supply demand, some other logic behind this expert advisor. Let me show you another index. Look here guys, a buy trade and very nice trade. Again, look here, this is the buy signal and the buy trade which is in profit, and the stop loss is moved right now, and the trail stop here, the stop loss which is securing your profit. Okay guys, so this is what's the funda behind this. So let's move on next index and see how actually is moving on other indexes. Look here, is going to hit this stop loss. Okay, look here, a very good entry again. Here is the buy signal from verified support, and here is the buy trade. Stop loss already moved in profit, and the market is going the same direction, buy, and this buy is in profit. So this is what actually this expert advisor do by self, automatically, totally automatically. Look here, once again, here is the sell signal. This is the sell trade on the breakout. As you guys can see, here is the breakout of this bearish flag, and the market is in sell, and here is the sell trade. The stop loss is moved in profit, the profit is locked. So this is what I want to tell you guys. This is very best and very good expert advisor. It's really working very nice and making good profit daily basis. If someone want to have this, please check the description, chat with team. The guys are available to help you to answer your all queries. Okay guys, it's very good EA and working very awesome. Thanks for watching. Best of luck. Is there any question? You guys can check the video description and chat with us.